Hello and welcome again. In this session we are going to talk about lab setup. How we can set up our SCCM lab to access everything and perform all the tasks practically. So either you set up the whole lab on your local computer, or you can set up SCCM lab on Microsoft Azure Cloud Data Center. Now, to set up the lab on your local computer, these are the minimum requirements. So you have to have at least 12 GB of RAM, quad-core processor, 300 GB of hard drive space. If you don't have these configuration, then you can go on Microsoft Azure Cloud Data Center. To set up SCCM lab in Microsoft Azure Cloud Data Center, you just need one computer with internet connection. That's it. So we are going to set up our SCCM lab like this. We will have 3 servers. One Windows server will be domain controller and DNS. The second one will be our SCCM primary site server. Third Windows server will be SQL Server database, and we will have one client computer, Windows 10. All will be on the same LAN network and talking to each other. So this is going to be our lab architecture. So this kind of lab we are going to set up on Microsoft Azure Cloud Data Center, and I will walk you through step by step how you can set up your whole lab architecture there, and I also expect you to do the same step at your end so that you also get the practical knowledge. I hope the session was informative. We'll meet you in the next session.